Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you 8 days I have not made this video. I have broken my consistency. Yes. And now I have made this video, but I am stuck. I am hesitate. I am not facing this camera. So proper word do not come in my mouth. Yes. This is a this is a uh, this is a lots of obstacle, but you are remove your obstacle. Yeah, every day you try to speak, every day try to learn this language, because this language currently need of every field. This language currently used every field. Yes guys, that was my dream learning this language. I have desire. I'm a become a master in English. I'm a become a good communicator. But I have break my consistency. This is not good things. This is a bad things. I should learn this language. But I have only two techniques. I try to talk when I have time. Yes, and I have used this shadow technique. And I have talked to the co-learners. I have talked to the co-learners, and uh, I I have listened to listening conversation video. I have watched this conversation video. Yes, I have watched this the short English film, f- uh, short English film. Yes, and I have rectified my mistakes. I have rectified my mistakes, and I am thinking English. Yes, and I am talk to the co-learners. I am talk to the AI. Yes, AI, you are rectify your mistakes. Yes, but keep practicing, keep try. Every day you try to speak. Definitely you will become a fluently speaker. I want to master in English, but lots of obstacle in my life. Yes, but I have removed my hesitation. I have removed my obstacle, and uh, I'm go ahead, and I'm talk to the co-learners, and I have made this video. Okay, thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak. Bye bye.